everybody. My name is Khari Barz, and today I'm here to talk to you guys about consciousness. Now, I know you all may be saying, consciousness? What is this going to be, some boring lecture on thinking? And I'm here to tell you guys with an emphatic maybe. So what is consciousness? Well, consciousness is defined as the awareness of oneself and one's surroundings. So let's take a moment. Let's all look around. Let's all look at me. You guys see your surroundings? You guys see me? Congratulations, everybody is conscious. Now, there are different levels to consciousness. And if you don't believe me, just ask the person who forgot to notice their lover's new haircut, or you can ask the person who got an incredible case of shovel mouth and couldn't dig themselves out. Now, you may be asking, how do we deepen our levels of consciousness? Or as a matter of fact, how do we even know what our levels of consciousness are? And that's a great rhetorical question. A doctor named David Hawkins put together with his team of researchers a chart that showed a direct correlation between our thoughts and our feelings and the bioelectrical magnetic field that our human bodies were producing. So essentially, thoughts and feelings surrounding low levels of consciousness like shame, guilt, anger, and pride have a lower energy output than higher level consciousness feelings and thoughts surrounding courage, acceptance, joy, and love. Now, how does this apply to me? Well, I use this in my everyday life. Perfect example, there was a girl that I was really feeling. And we were seeing each other for a while, and I decided that I wanted to take her out for her birthday. So I asked her if she would like to go out with me for her birthday. She said, sure, let's do this. So I was hyped. I put together a whole plan for this date. I was so excited. And the day before, she informed me that she did not want to go out with me and that she wanted to put a pause on our interaction. My pride was devastated. My power level shifted down. I jumped into anger. Who does she think she is, leaving me like this? Power level sunk. Eventually, I ended up in a power level of shame and guilt, which left me feeling listless and had no desire to do anything. Fortunately, knowing that this level of consciousness existed or this chart existed, I was able to raise my consciousness to courage, saying, I'm going to do something different, to acceptance, saying, you know what, maybe it's not so bad, and finally to have the joy that you guys can see on my face right now. So what does this mean for you? Well, there may be areas in your life where you want to improve or you're feeling maybe weak or disempowered. And with conscious thought and action, you all can change your level of consciousness to be where you guys want to be. Thank you all.